Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about how to move an object in Paintbrush. We have already started Paintbrush and I am very happy to see your images sent by you on my personal number. Very happy, very creative you all are. Okay, so working with paint. So moving an object in Paintbrush. How to move.
Move an object. Draw
Now draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now you all can draw this car using your different shapes. Now we are going to click on this select option. Okay, select. Now you will see rectangular selection is there, free form selection is there. So I am going to select rectangular selection. Drag the mouse. Car will be selected. Okay. Click on the cut option. Now see, this is your cut option. This scissor type shape is your cut option. So you have to click on cut option. And the shortcut key for cut is your Control plus X. Means you can press Control and X together from the keyboard also. Observe the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Now where does it goes? It goes to clipboard, which is not visible to us but it is there because we have cut it. Now using your paste option you have to paste. Now this is your paste option. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Click on paste. What happened? Your car will be pasted on the top left corner of the drawing area. Now move the car to any place. Drag the car to any place. Now one tip is for all of you. The selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now copying an object. Now what is the difference between moving and copying? Copying means it will create a new copy of the object. Means one car is already there and you can create one more car. Next many more cars you can create by using your copy an object. So copy object, rectangular form we have selected, select it, click on copy, Ctrl plus C, paste from the clipboard and the object will be duplicating. Now move this dotted line box to anywhere where you want to copy. Now to reverse the last action, okay, reverse the last action matlab suppose you have done some mistake, you have not correctly done something and you want to undo that, you want to cancel that, then you can press undo command from Paintbrush or you can press Ctrl plus Z from keyboard. Okay. Now redo command is used to reverse the effect of undo command. Suppose you have cancelled and now you realize it is not, I don't want to cancel. So you can redo that and you can press Ctrl plus Y for redo. To clear all the objects from the drawing area, click on select, then select all, delete option. Now where is this delete option? You can press delete key from keyboard also. Now drawing different shapes, we are going to draw different shapes. So we can draw different shapes in the Paintbrush. Ready-made shapes are available in the shapes group. Select any shape. Okay, and drag. This is your polygon. No outline, so outline will be removed. If we click on outline, outline will be there. Now size of the outline, we can set the size of the outline. See, the thickness increases. Color 1 is used to change the outline color and color 2 is used to change the fill color. Like here, color 1 is black, so the outline color is your black. Color 2 is yellow, so the fill color is your yellow. If you do not want to fill color in the shape, select fill option and then select no fill. Now flipping the picture. Flipping means your जब हम किसी चीज को ऐसे पलट देते हैं, that is your flipping, and the direction changes in that. Suppose you want to create a shadow of something, so you can flip it. Suppose you want to create the similar type of image in the different direction, you can flip the image. So flipping can be done horizontal or your vertical. Okay, suppose you are going to flip this object horizontal, तो ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, and vertical, so it will be in the this direction. जैसे ये अभी लेफ्ट जा रही है गाड़ी, तो राइट जाएगी. Click on the select tool. Then the rotate option. Rotate by your, you can rotate it 90 degrees. रोटेट हो गया है. Flip vertical or flip your horizontal. To flip the picture vertical, flip vertical option is available. And if you want to rotate, rotate option is also available. Now press Ctrl plus R to add ruler to line up and measure the picture. Resize, how to resize. Size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically. Select a drawing. Then resize. Now we can resize it up to 150%. Skew. Skew means you're stretching something, that is your skew. Now let's know more about that. On selecting opaque option, the text color will be same which is selected in the color 1 box, and the background color behind the text will be the same. On selecting transparent option, only text color will be the same as selected in color 1 and background will be transparent. तो अगर आपने opaque select किया, then only the background color will be there. If transparent is there, no background color will be there. Okay. So try this at your home. Next class we will do text tool in your paintbrush. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.